tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the Jordan 5. I believe these are the Georgetowns on deck for you guys to see today. This is a pretty decent shoe, not really my cup of tea, but there are some things on the shoe that I do like, that I am familiar with, and I really think is a good addition to the shoe. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. It's a Jordan 5. We already know what time it is. So let's just jump right into it. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends, all those good things that everybody else says in their videos. Please do that here. Hit that notification bell as well so you know when I'm releasing and dropping content. All right, follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. You'll see this shoe and many others up there on the Reels page on my Instagram, so check that out. And last but not least, follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. Again, the Discord link is in the description of the video. We trade shoes, buy shoes from each other, all that stuff. We have a really good community in there, so you guys might want to be part of that. So go ahead and follow us there. All right, so Jordan 5 Georgetown joints. Let's just get right into it. Get a little quick once over. Okay, so we have, it looks like a Durabuck upper. It's all navy. I really like it. It's really hard to find all navy shoes, and this is a decent looking all navy shoe. It kind of looks like the black metallics with the midsole and the outsole, but then you have this nice, I think this is Durabuck, okay, synthetic nubuck on the top. It kind of feels like leather, but you can tell there's something going on with it. Not really. It doesn't feel authentic. It doesn't feel like suede or anything like that, okay? It's like a Durabuck. I think this might be a little waterproof. If it's not, hey, I'm wrong, but it is a decent shoe. We got some different highlights on the shoe that we can jump into, but this is pretty much the shoe itself. Light blue. We got the black midsole, metallic on the shark teeth, and then we got clear bottom, okay? So let's just jump right into it. Look at that toe box. Toe box is okay, a little rounded for me, but they make toe boxes so different from shoe to shoe. It's all about how you put the shoe together, glue it, stitch it, all that stuff. So I'm not really too worried about that. The blue looks really nice. The toe box is okay. I think this will crease pretty bad because it's a synthetic material. I think it'll crease bad, honestly. I do think it's gonna crease bad, but we'll see. I mean, we'll see. Maybe the darkness of the shoe will hide this creasing. Laces going up the shoe is blue as well, and then you got this nice smoked out lace lock. I like the way that it's smoked out. I think it looks really nice. I think it looks cool. The tongue is still the 3M material, and then you have your Jumpman right here in that navy. Looks good. There is a black sock liner with this, so you know they didn't really spice it up too much with sock liner and all that stuff, but it did, you know, leave it black, like a standard black color. Clear cage right here, looks good. Here's our shark teeth. Not the best paint job, but you know, it is Nike. We will see what happens with all the other shoes that come out, so whatever, that's cool. Midsole's black. There is our nice air unit right there. Back of the shoe has that quality products inspired. I'm not a fan of this tag. I don't like it. I think it's ugly. I think this should be inside the shoe, and they could have put Nike Air on this if this was gonna be for a team or something like that, but whatever. It just is what it is. Like on the back of the tongue, it says Elevate, and that is on both shoes. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, and the outsole of the shoe got that nice icy blue. You got your blue Jumpman, I believe that's in there with the black and the Jordan. I think that's super clean. There's not really much to go over with this shoe. I mean, I would take the insole out, but likely it's a dream cell, and I really don't feel like taking it out, honestly. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, oh, and there's no extra shoelaces with this, by the way. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 7. It's not crazy. it's okay. It is a nice blue for a shoe, you know, and it's hard to find, you know, this type of blue on a shoe that looks good. I think this blue looks good on a shoe. It actually looks like a winterized shoe to me. Construction and materials, the shoe was good. The materials are okay. I'll give it a 7.58 for materials. They're not the best. All right, so that's all I really got for this one. I'm not too enthused about it, but I do like it. But it's not something that I would run to the store to buy, because there's some things on the shoe that I just don't like. All right, so that's all I got for this one, y'all. Hope it was informative for y'all. Until we meet on the next video, you guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed. Peace.